Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making some avocado oil as promised. This is gonna be an extraction from the avocado, but to do this I'm gonna need a little help, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, and we're gonna go through it together, okay? Now let's get into the video. First you're gonna need 2 small avocados. They could be ripe or they could be semi-ripe. There's really not really a need for it to be super ripe or not ripe. It's just 2 small avocado. I just got whichever one they had. It wasn't so green as you can see, but I see that some people might use the very dark green ones. So mine was really not so green, so I'm still using it. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and cut our avocados into half. Let's go ahead and cut our avocados. And that's 1/2. And this is another half. And we're not gonna need this, so I'm just gonna leave this 1/2 here. I'm gonna do the entire avocado. So right now, let's just start with this portion first. So we're just gonna need the interior part of the avocado, of course. Because the avocado is going to need to be cut in small pieces, so I'm going to start doing that now. So for now I'm just doing, like, to make it easier, I'm just squashing a little. As you can see, the avocado that's not so green is very easy to cut into. It's kind of more ripe. Let me show you guys. Let me move this out the way. See? It's ripe. And this one, I'm removing the part. I'm trying to get every little bit part of the avocado because I might as well, because every little bit part of it helps. Now for the second avocado. go ahead and add, after mashing it all the way, as much as possible. You don't have to do it all the way down, as much as you can see. I'll go ahead and just add some olive oil. I use extra virgin, as I mentioned before. And my pot has been warmed. I add some extra virgin olive oil on my pot. Let me add a little bit more. And now you go in and start adding your avocado. And now all you have to do is let your avocado fry itself in there. And let your oil cook the avocado in there. I would say maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. Let me boost up the temperature, maybe half. I'll put it on number 5, maybe medium high. Or I should say medium. Yeah. I'm just trying to smash it a little bit more. The little parts that's not completely smashed in there. Okay. Now we wait and let it shrink. Let it cook all the way through. I'll be right back when it's done. And we'll look at it and drain it, and we'll have our avocado oil. A quick tip: don't forget to store your avocado oil in a cool and dark place to keep it fresh longer. And also, while it's safe for most skin type, always do a patch test before using it on your face or your body. Also, if you're struggling with frizzy and damaged hair, avocado oil will be like your new best friend. It penetrates deep into your hair shaft. It strengthens and it adds shine to your hair. You could use it as a DIY hair treatment before you shampoo. All you have to do is that you warm it up and you just add that to your scalp before you shampoo. You massage it in. You leave it in there for like 30 minutes before you shampoo your hair. Oh my gosh, your hair will thank you. That's like another added bonus to your hair washing routine. When it starts forming like this, You could go ahead, set it aside so it can start the cooling off process. Did you find this video helpful? Have you used avocado oil before? What's your favorite way to use it? Please let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and please let me know what you want to see next on the next video. Until then, stay safe. God bless.